So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, hello or welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag I go by LUNAROSE, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video, we're doing yet another Shein clothing haul as well as a try on, so let's get into it, shall we? What was that? What was that? So I purchased all of these clothes from Shein with my own money, combined with the help of my Patreon family. So I just want to give my Patreon family a huge shout out in today's video. I do also have an account referral code for Shein, which is code UKA135. If you guys could just please enter that on your account dashboard under the other services tab and just type in UKA135, it'll mark me as your referral person. So it's not like a discount or anything. It basically just means I earn a very small commission of anything you purchase, but it costs you nothing, helps me out and helps me buy more drag. And yeah, without further ado, let's try on some garments, shall we? Terrible, tongue up. So the little cow print dress I'm currently wearing, as well as the headband, I did get from Shein in a previous haul. But the first thing I picked up is this super cute little pink floral mini skirt. They recently released this kind of like pattern in loads of different colours as like a 60s kind of vibe. And you guys know, I love florals. I love like the 60s fantasy. So you know I was going to be picking it up. I absolutely love the colour pink and I love me a mini skirt. The next garment I picked up from Shein is just kind of a simple fitting long like tie-dye looking dress, but what I thought was super cute is that it comes with like matching sleeves to it to create like a full kind of ensemble. And you guys know I love it when a garment has like a matching element to it to like really tie together a look and do like a full-on transformation just from one garment. The actual like neckline and fit of it is just kind of basic to me, but I do like the pattern, I do like the colour, and I do like the sleeves. So yeah, let me know what you think of garment number 2 down below. So you guys know me pretty well by now. In literally every single Shein haul I've ever done on my channel, I pick up a basic spaghetti strap dress like I'm currently wearing. And this next piece I picked up is the start of the spaghetti strap saga for this haul. But this one's in like a really interesting like blue duochrome kind of print to it, which you guys know I have drag queen magpie syndrome. Anytime anything is sparkly, embellished, rhinestoned or extra, you know I'm going to be picking it up. But I have a major like soft spot for like the reflection of like a duochrome fabric. So yeah, I think it's really pretty, super stunning, and for sure I want to wear it for a look in the future. Another thing I always end up picking up from Shein is one of their swimsuits or bodysuits, since I just love the way they fit. And this one is in a nice neon pink shade. You guys know I love that whole like Barbie fantasy, but what like separates this from just like a normal plain swimsuit is that around like the bustier region, it's got like these pink little like petals, and it just adds so much like extra like shimmy to it. So yeah, you guys know I'm gonna be rocking the shit out of this. I love pink, I love the little details to it, and hopefully it'll fit me. And we have the first piece of one of my favourite prints of all time. You guys know in literally every single clothing haul I do, regardless of what website I end up going on, I pick up something houndstooth, a camouflage print, snake print, or floral. Guess what the next thing is? Floral. You guys know how much I have like an addiction to floral prints, and you guys know my surname is Rose. Anytime I see roses on any fabric, I just like naturally gravitate towards it and cannot help but pick it up, since I have a problem. The next garment I picked up just gives me full-on like pastel kawaii fashion, and it is a really cute little like pastel pink strawberry print dress. Like I said, this gives me full like soft kind of pastel kawaii moment, so I definitely want to wear this in the future and do like some cute little pigtails and really like soft blushy makeup with it. But yeah, I really like this style aesthetic. I really like this kind of fashion trend, and I'm glad Shein started to do some like funner and like different prints on their fabric. Speaking of interesting prints and fun patterns, the next thing is a trend that I've been seeing going around everywhere recently, and I couldn't help but like dip my toes into it, because this one is a half and half cute little swimsuit. So it's half like a lilac lavendery purple and half like a soft powder blue, which honestly is one of like my favorite color combinations. I love how this looks, and pray to God it fits and looks like super cute on, since I do actually have a wig that's like half these exact same colors. So I'm praying if it fits and looks cute, I could do like a matching hair to the swimsuit and do like a fun like half and half moment. But yeah, I think it's super cute, and for sure I wear their swimsuits a lot. I love them. I'm gonna wear it in the future. Okay, so the next piece I ended up picking up is from the lingerie section. Shein sells some actually incredible lingerie that's very flattering and very like size inclusive, but I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to show this next piece on YouTube since it's very like fishnetty, open and short. But what I thought was like super cute about it is that it's kind of like a ribbed kind of vest, but it also does come with like matching kind of fishnet sleeves, which again, you guys know I love anything that has like a matching sleeve to it or something that'll like tie together a full garment to look like well thought out than just like a simple basic dress. So yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to show it, but it's very bold, it's very pink, and at some point in the future I will definitely do a transformation up on my Patreon in it since I love that Barbie sex fantasy. The next thing I picked up is also from Shein's little lingerie section. Like I said, I absolutely love their lingerie section, and every single time I go on their website now, I always just see what's new in, since I always seem to find something that I really like. And this next piece is in a very similar colour to the previous garment I showed, but I just absolutely love the style and fit of their like lacy kind of nightgowns. They're just like sheer enough but also covered enough that you can wear padding and everything under it, and I just think they're super flattering, super cute, and since it's Shein, super affordable. Win win win. The next thing I picked up is kind of just more for my boy wardrobe, since, not gonna lie girl, I buy a lot of my like boy wardrobe clothes from Shein as well, and it's just like a fun, cute little pastel tie-dye moment, and I pretty much only ever live in like extra large oversized t-shirts just because they're the most comfortable thing, the most freeing thing, and pretty much if you see me out of drag, I'm gonna be in a massive like oversized black t-shirt, or for the odd change, a nice like pastel tone, and yeah, I just really like the design of this and it gives me full on summertime vibes, so expect to see me on Snapchat out of drag in it, girl. And you can tell I was feeling that print, since the next thing I picked up is the exact same top, but this one has a smiley face and crossed eyes in it, since, again, I kind of like this like pastel-y trend. I love anything tie-dye and anything oversized, so yeah, for sure you will see me in it on Snapchat, or maybe in like the start of a transformation before I turn into full LUNAROSE mode, but I buy a lot of my clothes in general just from Shein, not just like drag stuff, and it's all really good quality. The next garment I picked up from Shein is something I don't think I'm going to be able to show on YouTube since it reveals a fair bit of skin, but I do have a look planned for it in my mind to do on my Patreon, and it's because it is a full neon, different fun coloured strap little matching swimsuit. You guys know I love their swimsuits, but yeah, this one is a little bit more on the risque side, but I just really like the style of it. I like the neon pink kind of bustier bra moment and the like sexy strappage moment, so yeah, I don't think I'll be able to show it on YouTube, but Patreon family, saddle up. And we're finally continuing on the spaghetti strap saga with just a simple little black silky dress. This does have like a leopard print on it, but it's not going to be super visible on camera. It's kind of like just one of them softer kind of embellished embossed detail moments, but yeah, I quite like black silky dresses. They always look nice and slinky and sexy, so hopefully it looks good on my body. And we are dressed in theme today, since the next thing I ended up picking up from Shein is also cow print. This one is more like just a little one sleeve kind of avant-garde-y looking longer dress, but I'm so here for anything that is like black and white cow print themed. Like, it is just everything to me in style goals, style aesthetics, so I want it in literally every single style I can possibly pick up cow print in, so yeah, expect more cow print in the future. I love it. Okay, so this next dress looks very busy, not gonna lie, but like I said at the start of the video, I'm very into like 60s fashion, that kind of like floral hippy dippy vibe, and this next garment is very that. It is full on like floral fantasy, a little like bodysuit playsuit moment, which I'm here for. They're generally flattering, they generally fit pretty well, but yeah, it's a very textured and colourful print to say the least. Literally looks like curtains. So like I say in pretty much every single clothing haul I end up doing, I have drag queen magpie syndrome. Anytime anything is sparkly, embellished, rhinestoned, glittery or sequined, you know I'm going to be picking it up. And this next dress is a full-on rainbow sequin moment, which, ugh, is that not just like so satisfying just to like watch the reflections? The colours in it also are kind of like duochrome sequins, so it's like extra delicious to me, and yeah, this gives me full on like rainbow flag but on like acid, so you never know, you'll see it in the future probably. This next piece I grabbed from Shein is very on brand, very fitting to my drag name, as well as my personal kind of sense of style. And it's because it's a cute little cord two-piece set with pink roses all over it. You guys know, like I said, anything with florals, particularly roses on it, you know I'm going to gravitate towards it. And anything in like a soft Barbie pink tone is just like one of my favourite colours of all time to wear in drag. So you know I'm going to be rocking the shit out of this and do a full-on pink rose transformation in it. This next piece I can explain, and I will 1000% say it's probably the ugliest, strangest thing I've ever bought from Shein, but I actually bought this around Christmas and I've had it sat in this bag for literally months now to show, and I did have a look in mind for it, and you'll see when you see the garment, so don't judge me. It was going to be like a Grinch dress since it's like green metallic with green fur on it. So hopefully this year I will remember to wear it and do like a green Grinchy transformation, since that is very much the vibe it gives me. But yeah, it's very ugly. I will 100% attest to that. The feathers on this are like super thin and like just not really giving me much. And the fabric is very like cheap, holographic, reflective looking. But I had a vision last year. I didn't execute it, and that's a strange garment, not gonna lie. Ooh, so this next thing I picked up is very much the style aesthetic that I always seem to gravitate towards, and something that I just absolutely love the whole kind of vibe of. And it is a high mandarin neckline, like gold dress with sheer like black tulle sleeves with like a nice like matching cuff to it. There is just something so elegant, so beautiful about the fabric of this that it screams my name. I find it so gorgeous, and I'm just praying to God I can do it justice and like honor the garment, since I love this style so much. So pretty to me, like ugh, everything. And we're back with another swimsuit, and this one is also floral, 2 in 1. It is a really cute little like soft peachy pink floral swimsuit. What I like about this is that it kind of has the top frill portion, so if I'm not wearing a breastplate or if I'm not wearing like a padded bra or anything, that kind of like frill overhang adds, you know, like the illusion that there's more going on there. And like I said, I absolutely love their swimsuits. They're nice and stretchy, and just kind of the fabric's always like a nice 4-way stretch, which I need. So it kind of hugs your body nicely, but also is nice and flattering. So yeah, some point in the future, you will definitely see me wearing this, since I like that vibe. The next thing I ended up picking up is just a simple neon yellow one shoulder kind of crop top moment. Generally asymmetrical garments aren't like my go-to thing, but you know, I'm trying to step outside my comfort zone and try and do something different, and I really like neon colors. Like, there's just something special about them. And we're back with another one of my favorite prints of all time, camouflage. This one is a full-on like see-through kind of high neckline long sleeve dress. So yeah, she's gonna be fun to try and find a cute undergarment to put under her. But I really like these kind of like stretchy sheared garments from Shein, since honestly they're super comfortable and they always just seem to look and like give that like sex appeal, since it's sheer, but I'm also like fully covered in clothing. It's like a weird combo. And we're back to a little bit of lingerie and undergarments, since I picked up a leopard print bra and panty set, as well as like a cute like soft pink like cheetah moment, since you guys know I like to have some padded bras in just so it gives the illusion of cleavage, and I'm always after more like interesting print bras and fun other bras to like flesh out my drag wardrobe. So I did pick up 2 other little bra and panty sets. And then the final garment I picked up from Shein is something very much up my style avenue, since it is a green kind of horoscope star print velvet dress with some nice puffy tulle sleeves. You guys know I just love the silhouette of like a simple dress with like a nice big poofy kind of a fairy tulle fabric moment, and that's exactly what this gives me. I actually did pick this up in a red velvet like a year and a half ago now, and when I saw the green one was on sale, not gonna lie girl, was also on Shein, I definitely had to pick it up, since I really like the red velvet moment, but green is just my favorite color of all time. You guys know I gravitate towards green so often, and I'm a full-on like horoscope and like zodiac star bitch, so that's what this print is. Needed it. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this massive Shein clothing haul. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which garment was your favourite. And don't forget to subscribe to our bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There shall be one new video every single Monday at 10 PM Greenwich Mean Time. But like I said, make sure you hit that notification bell to tell you about new uploads, bonus days, updates, and the works of it all. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye. Ooh, actually a good tongue pop outro. Bye.